everyone, it's Gail. I am here with a tutorial today on a little folded pocket. This one I have already embellished and I've tucked something in the top and that kind of thing, but we're going to kind of start to finish this, but this pocket will unfold and give you extra journaling space as well. So I got this idea from my one of my friends gave another friend a birthday present that had one of these pockets in this book, and so I figured out how to make it, and we're gonna make one today. So this is the pocket, and like I say, it expands out to give you more journaling space. So you can just adhere the pocket onto a page. Let me give you an example here. So let's say we want to put this on this page. We would just glue the three sides, set it down, and then it can be a pocket in the back, but then it will open up to give you more journaling space. So let's make one. First thing you need is a square piece of paper, and it can be whatever size you want. You could do small ones of these. I just took an 8.5 by 11 piece of coffee dyed paper, and I'm going to just make it 8.5 by 8.5. So we just give it a cut like this. And then we're going to do our folding. So what you do is fold it in half this way, creasing it. Then turn it, fold it in half the other way. And then you're going to see how these are both folded in this way. Then you're going to take one corner and bring it up to the other corner in a triangle like this and crease this side. Then you've got your little squares, and these will fold in once you give it a little coaxing, and it will just fold together like so. And then you can decorate the front, and you know, you could do stamping on this or whatever you would do on a normal little pocket. But then when you adhere it to your page, you've got a spot where you can tuck a tag right like that. So I hope you think this little tutorial was worthwhile. I thought it was a fun little pocket, and I always am looking for things that give extra journaling space. So there you go. There's the folding pocket. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll just see you next time. Bye-bye.